The virtues of Surah Al-Ikhlas. Anas ibn Malik radiyallahu anhu reported, one of the Ansar used to lead the Ansar in prayer in Masjid Quba. It was his habit to recite Qul huwallahu ahad whenever he wanted to recite something in the prayer. He would complete Qul huwallahu ahad, then recite another surah after it. He would do this in every rak'ah. His companions discussed with him and said, "You recite this surah and do not consider it sufficient until you recite another surah. You should either recite it alone or leave it and recite another surah." He said, "I will never leave it. If you want me to be your imam on this condition, then fine. Otherwise, I will leave you." They knew that he was the best amongst them, and they did not want anyone else to lead them in prayer. When the Prophet ﷺ went to them, they informed him about the situation. The Prophet ﷺ said to him, "O so-and-so, what prevents you from doing what your companions have asked you to do? Why did you read this surah, particularly in every rak'ah?" He replied, "I love this surah." The Prophet ﷺ said, "Your love for this surah granted you paradise." Reported by Al-Bukhari.